Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to install VirtualBox in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Open your browser, go to virtualbox.org, and you'll see a big download button. Click on that. It'll take you to the downloads page. I'm installing mine onto a Windows desktop, so I'm going to choose Windows Host. We'll download the executable. Open the file, installation wizard, click on Next. Accept the terms and agreements, click on Next. I'm just going to leave the default path, click on Next. And that's just a message to indicate that your network connection might disconnect. It won't. I'll install any dependencies. I don't want a shortcut on the desktop or the quick launch bar. I do want to register file associations, and I do want to start menu entry. So I'll deselect the other two. Click on install. This might take a few minutes. There we go. And I'm going to launch it after installation, which I've done. Click on finish. There we go. It's installed. And that's it. You've successfully installed VirtualBox. I'm going to create another video to show you how to install your Windows virtual machine onto it. So stay tuned for that. Thank you and goodbye.